Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive straight into harnessing the power of teamwork.com for your customer retention strategies. Firstly, let's set up your customer projects. Log into your teamwork.com account, navigate to Projects, click Add Project, and fill in relevant details. This helps us because it allows us to track and manage all customer-related tasks in one place. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create task lists within the project. This is where you'll add all the activities that are necessary for maintaining customer relations. The reason we do this is to ensure no task gets forgotten and every customer interaction is tracked. Next up, let's leverage the Notebooks feature. Here, you can document important customer insights, feedback, and issues. This helps us because it becomes a reference point for understanding your customers better and tailoring your services to their needs. Now, remember to set up automated reminders. Navigate to Settings, click Reminders, and set up reminders for tasks like following up with customers, sending newsletters, or addressing complaints. This is vital as it prevents any important customer interactions from slipping through the cracks. Lastly, use the Reports feature to monitor the progress of your customer retention strategies. Regularly reviewing these reports will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to use teamwork.com for enhancing your customer retention. Keep in mind, it's about constantly refining your approach based on the insights you gather. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.